Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the Rave site subtitles are working again now. So let's get started. So as you can see, I am connecting to the app. Okay. So from here, it is working now. So let's open this here. Okay, it's saying like Bunny Showroom. So from here, gaming room, as you can see. So let's see. Just click on here, and from here you can just click on this, add this button, and then you can see the quality also. And if you see for the subtitles, you can see for the subtitles as well. Okay, so from here let's select this one. Okay, relaxing and mid light for the traders. So click on here, and from here you can just turn on a subtitle. So by this way you can do it, and it's easy way too. So if you have find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.